Hey guys, Sean O'Brien here at Nichols Marine. I have something really cool that Vexus just came out. I have a brand new 2026 201 Defender. This boat comes with a 115 Mercury Pro XS. Let's hop inside and take a look. This boat is equipped with the Polyurea flooring, completely non-slick, waterproof, easy to clean flooring. Comes with a 7-inch 73 SV Garmin, full throttle controls, plenty of space for fishing. You have battery compartments in the helm, front Livewell system along with a cushion, rod box, storage. This boat comes with a Minn Kota Terrova, so you get the spot lock. Everything will be controlled with a hand remote. Rear flip up aft seats. Guys, this boat is brand new, fresh on the market. Come see it at Nichols Marine here in Norman at 1700 and Brandon Boulevard, or visit my website at www.nicholsmarine.com.